So my other project is an FZR1000RU. I bought this from a guy up by Squire's Calf off eBay, and I've been doing quite a bit of work to it. The front forks were shot. They were badly leaking. Brake discs were utterly rusted to hell. Front wheel was in good condition, but the back wheel was corroded under the paint, and that was causing it to leak. I need to do a bit of paint work on the tank there. The clocks, the speedo clock wasn't working correctly, so I've gone and purchased a set of clocks off a YZF. The other thing that was noticeable was the exhaust system. So I've had to change out the exit valve and put a BlackWidow system on. It looks really well, and she does start up really well now. I've dyno kitted it as well. Forks, she's fitted with R1 calipers. Has had new stanchions because they had worn out, the chrome had worn out on her. I fitted the original indicators, but whether they last, the cheap Chinese ones again, and they are quite soft in the stem. So I've had new Avon tyres. Just putting it all back together. I've started her up today. I've still got the caliper to do at the back, which is I'm waiting for the pistons to come. Just give you a start up. Cleaned out all the carburetors, set all the valves. You can see that indicator there. It's a bit wobbly. So that's what I've been working on. The fairings for this bike. This is the my other FZR. As you can see, she runs perfect, absolutely perfect, and she's a nice tool. These are the other fairings I've got for her. The other one, the FZR1000, which ain't in too bad a condition, but we'll need painting eventually. I'm not actually doing the paint work on this bike as yet, so I will get round to doing it. But that's the FZR1000RU.